Hey guys, welcome back. How are you? I hope you all are good and doing well. So, in the last lecture, we added feature to limit or restrict the user's request per day. Okay. Now, in this lecture, we will work on an error that we received in the last lecture. That, for example, you can see that my daily limit has been reached and it will be reset at midnight. Okay, or after 24 hours. So, what we need to do now that we can again see the enhance button, and if I click on the enhance, now you can see I am seeing the content missing. If I click on here, content missing, so there is something wrong. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to tell Claude that when my request is uh, completed, or when I reached the higher limit of my request per day, then I can see the enhance button, and when I clicking on this, then it is giving me the content missing error. Okay, and ideally, what should happen here? Like if your limit has been reached, then either you should see all the actions button disabled, which is better. Okay, because you clearly know that your limit has been reached to its higher level, and you need to wait for until it's reset. Okay, so let's go to the Claude and tell or explain this what we are saying. When, or let's say I'm seeing an issue that when the request for per day is completed or finished, when request for per day is over, I can see enhance button or enhance prompt button. But when I click on this, this is showing me content missing. I think it would be better if we can disable the all action items where limit need to be checked. For example, enhancing the prompt, generating the prompt, creating a new story. So new story or generate your story. Disabled until requests counter resets. Thoughts? Okay, so we are just asking for the thoughts right now. Okay, so what is the suggestion by the Claude? So let's see this. And this is what I'm thinking that should happen if we allow the idea of Claude, or if the Claude feedback seems better than us, then we will take this. Otherwise, we will ask Claude to implement what we are thinking currently for this content missing error. Okay, and ideally, I'm thinking it should happen, because if we are uh, completing the request, then it should be disabled. Okay, so let's say what the Claude has done. Good call. Disabling in the UI is a much cleaner than hitting a server error. The content missing happens because check request limit redirects, but the enhanced request is a turbo stream, so the frame gets a redirect can't render. Disabling the button client side prevents that entirely, and I will also tighten the server side fallback. So changes needed. image prompt html.trb disable enhance button, show.html.trb disable generate image prompts button, and index.html.trb disable new story button. Already partially done, needs cleanup. Okay, so now I have the full picture. I will set a limit reached variable once at the top of show.html.trb and use it to disable every action button throughout the page. Then do the same for enhance button in the partial. Okay, so let's see what it is doing. It is just checking limit reached. Okay, so limit reached current user dot request remaining equal to 0. Okay, so when it will be 0, then it will return true. So let's see. And now it is going to update the partial sorry template for show. Okay, so disable generate image prompt and retry button. Now it is going to edit the file. So yes, let's proceed. Okay, let it do some work. Also disable try again in the failed story state. So yes, allow Claude to edit the show.html.trb. Now disable the enhance button in prompt partial. Okay, so yes. Finally, fix the index page new story button. It currently has pointer events none applied but keeps the violet background which looks odd. Make it clearly disabled. Now it is going to do some smoke testing, so let it do. All done. Here is what's changed when the daily limit is reached. Okay, so write a new story button on the index will be grayed out. No pointer events, no pointer events on that button, and tooltip will be added. And new story same, try again same, generate image prompt, disabled attribute, grayed out tooltip, retry same, enhance each prompt card, disable plus turns gray, turbo submits with removed, turbo submits with removed, so no accidental submission. Okay, so let's go to the browser now and refresh the page. So you can see that enhance button has been disabled now. Okay, enhance button has been disabled, and you can see you have used all three of your daily request. Your limit resets at midnight or upgrade for unlimited access. Okay, and if you go to the new story button, you can see it is also disabled. When you go to my story, you can see daily limit reached, resets at midnight. Write a story is also, write a new story is also disabled now. Okay, and if you go to the, okay, so we still have some issues, so let it left. Go to the my stories. Okay, so right now everywhere we have disabled. So now user knows that their daily limit has been reached and it will be reset at midnight. So now they cannot write a story, and if you go to the details page, they cannot generate new image prompts, or they can also, they cannot enhance the existing image prompts until their limit resets. Okay, so this is how a solid system built, so that user must be in their limit, or user must have some requests available to perform their actions. Okay, however, based upon the requirement, we can extend or uh, extend this limit. For example, for now, just to save the tokens and just to limited try, I made it 3, but we will ideally keep it 10, so that they can perform 10 actions, or they can perform 10 action which communicates through the Anthropic API. Okay, so 10 requests per day we will allow. Okay, otherwise after 10 we will send them the notice that your daily limit has been reached. Okay, and if we wish, we can convert it to 12 hours or 6 hours as well. Okay, but for now, that's it. We blocked the user for 24 hours. Okay, so this is how user limited access or restriction for the request per day will work in an AI system. So that's all for this lecture. Here what we did, we disabled all the actionable item which communicates through the Anthropic API. We disabled them if user do not have available request, okay, or their daily limit reached. And we also fixed the content missing error. Okay, so that is what we did in the next lecture. I hope you like this. Try to follow this, and we will meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.